Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a portfolio on Notion. First, open Notion and decide if you want to start with a blank page or use one of their many templates. Next, begin structuring your portfolio by adding clear headings for different project categories. Don't forget to include essential sections like an About Me page and your contact information so potential clients or employers can easily reach you. This foundational setup is crucial for a professional presentation. Now, let's bring your work to life. Embed various media types directly into your Notion page, like high-resolution images, engaging videos, or even PDF documents. For each project, write compelling descriptions that clearly highlight your role, the challenges you faced, and the solutions you provided. Customize your page layout using columns and dividers to create a visually appealing and easy-to-navigate experience for anyone viewing your portfolio. Make sure your best work stands out. To elevate your portfolio, consider using Notion's database feature to organize numerous projects with tags and filters, making it easy to sort and display your work. Integrate links to your other professional platforms, such as LinkedIn, Behance, or your personal website, to provide a comprehensive view of your online presence. Finally, share your masterpiece by publishing your Notion page to the web, generating a unique, shareable link that you can distribute widely. It's simple and effective. Before sharing your portfolio with the world, take time to thoroughly review every detail for clarity, consistency, and any typos. Ask friends or mentors for feedback. A fresh pair of eyes can spot areas for improvement you might have missed. Once polished, actively promote your portfolio across your professional networks and social media. Remember, a well-presented portfolio is a powerful tool for showcasing your skills and attracting new opportunities. Also, check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.